already on my super fast and quick makeup routine, and I feel a little silly filming this one because I'm going today film how I do like a quick eye look with it, and literally it's so super fast. So I'm just going to like do the face routine again. I'll fast forward it for you so you don't have to watch the whole thing again. I just do that because if you're like me, you oddly like people doing their makeup. I don't know, maybe it's just me, maybe I'm just weird, but that's okay. I know there's probably other people like me out there. So I'm just gonna do this and then I'll slow it down and walk you through the eye. Okay, makes sense. And I didn't do blush. I just went a little bit heavier with the bronzer just for a more sun-kissed look. And then now I'm gonna do this color. Now this color, it's not super dark and it's not super light. So it's like a perfect in between. And I literally just do the one color. Like I start my crease and then diffuse it out on my lid and above my crease. It's really, really soft, and you could layer it and darken it up. Like it's literally, it's so simple. And I am 6 minutes in, according to my iPhone, which I'm filming this on. This makeup look. It's so quick and easy. You can leave it like that. I will put a little bit down below my eyes. I have to be careful because I have deep set eyes. If I put a lot of color under there, it just can accentuate that they're so deep set. And over here, and that is it. Now you can go in. I'll line sometimes I know it's like the most grotesque thing to watch, my waterline. It's kind of foolproof. Don't have to worry about a line on my eye if I like go all crazy. And then mascara. Before I do mascara though, I am going to just very lightly, I'm gonna pat out any makeup that's collected in lines. It will collect in lines because I have lines under my eyes. It doesn't, everyone loves the Tarte Shape Tape. It still gave me lines because you know what? That's just my age and I'm not gonna get filler. And I don't mind it actually. And that's what I love about using the mascara, or I mean maybe other cream foundations are the same, is it's really easy to pat out. Like with the Tarte Shape Tape, it just kind of like locks and loads in there, and so it's really hard to pat it back out. Just putting this in my T-zone. It's still a bajillion degrees where I'm at, so still sweating. Okay, mascara, and that's it. Not much different other than I added the one eyeshadow. But if you just want to get more of a look, and it actually, depending on the color you pick, can give you a more sultry look, soft look. You can go with a lighter look, you can go with a darker look. This is just kind of like my quick everyday. My camera says it's been like 9 minutes, and that's with me stopping to talk to my kids because they were noisy, while I'm filming this. But yeah, it's so super and easy. I think sometimes we in our own head, we get in our own way with thinking that it's gonna be more complicated. Makeup can be super simple. I love it. For me, it's like art. It's not about, my identity's not tied up in it. I don't feel bad because I don't wear it. For me, actually, like sometimes not wearing makeup can make me to break out. The makeup can act like a barrier to all the dirt and grime out in the world. But it's more of an artistic thing for me, which it's just like, but like I said, not an identity thing. So if I wear it, great. If not, not. But now I'm just blabbering on. So this is the completed look. If you recreate it, tag me. You can follow me on Instagram at Miss Kimberly Anderson, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.